gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found my channel. I like to do fashion and craft DIYs and all kinds of other fun stuff. So if you like this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Okay guys, in today's video, it's another exciting one for me because I got friend mail. So Lois from Life with Lois's sent me a message and let me know that I had a package coming my way, and I was so excited for that in itself. And then I got the package. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's huge. I cannot wait to see what she has inside here. I am so super excited. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay guys, so like I said, this package is from Lois and her channel is called Life with Lois's. Guys, if you have not been over to her channel, which I'm hoping that most of you watching this video have, please make sure you stop over and check her out after you're done watching this video because she is just amazing. She loves gardening, she takes you on her shopping trips, and she just lets you into her life really and lets you know what's going on. And when she's trying products, she lets you know what she likes and what she doesn't like. You can definitely tell when she's not happy with something, which I love about her. She is just a wonderful, wonderful woman, and I'm so blessed and lucky to be able to have her as my friend. So let's see what's in this box. I would throw it up, guys, but that's so not happening. But here's the box. Woo, it's so big. I'm so excited, you guys. I can't wait to see what's inside. And on the top, it had both of our addresses on it, so I just cut this out. But she did her little flower that says friend mail with a little happy face. How cute is that, guys? I cut that out because I'm a goofball, and like I put these in the cards and stuff, and I just keep them. Is that weird? Probably. That's okay. But that's what I do. All right, so let's open this up. Woo! Look at this polka dot. She's got a card on top, guys. But look at this polka dot packing. Oh, it's fancy schmancy. Look at that. That is cute. Okay. So there's a card on top. So we're going to go ahead and start with the card. She drew her little flower on there. I love how she does that. That is so awesome. Okay. So, aw, it's got 3 little kitties on it. And it says, thank you. How cute. Look at that, guys. That is adorable. Okay. So it says, Amber, this is my non-holiday gift. Just saved up a few things, wanted to get them to you before the mail gets really crazy, which is about to happen. Oh boy, I didn't think about that. So if I'm going to send Christmas friend mail, all right, I don't want to think about that right now because I have 2 other packages I have to get out the door. So yeah. Anyways, hope this finds you and your beautiful family well. Stay safe out there. And remember, you are truly loved, my friend. Tell Noah I said hello, your friend Lois. Oh, that is so sweet, guys. That is so awesome. Guys, it just warms my heart when you guys think about me. Even if you send me a message like on Instagram, or if you send me one via email, it might take me a while to get to it because I just don't check my email that often. But anyways, it's just so nice to know when people are thinking about you. And when you guys send me these lovely things, it just really warms my heart. It makes me so incredibly happy. All right, let's dig in. Woo! Oh my gosh, the first thing up here is oh my gosh! I'm not even going to give you guys a sneak peek because I am going to take this off and show it to you guys because this is so freaking awesome! Look at this! I'm so excited! Guys, this is so cute. This is going to look so great in my little geeky area that I have going on there. We have Iron Man, Thor, Captain America, Spider-Man, the Hulk. How awesome is this? And it's so super soft. This is so cute. I love it. I mean, I love it. I'm so excited. That is awesome. Thank you, girl. That is awesome. Okay, guys, so if you want a little sneak peek of the rest of it, it is jam-packed with stuff. So let's dig in here. I love these things. We have some Mentos gum. That is awesome. I chew this kind of peppermint gum all the time. I'm so happy to have more of it because I mean, all the time I chew that stuff. Ooh, this is fancy smancy. Oh, look at this. This is right up my alley. Look how fancy that is. It's nice and sparkly. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. It's a Clinique bag. Oh, how cute. And there's some goodies in there, guys. Let's see what we got. Give it to God. Oh, how sweet. All right, let's open this. What are these? Oh, and it says hi already. How cute is that? Look at that. So it's got a little pencil with it, and it has a notepad with it, okay? And it says, it's a prayer box. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace. Numbers 6:24 through 26. That is awesome, guys. Oh, I love that. It's a little prayer box. Well, I'll be sure to put all you guys in my little box, okay? That is awesome. Okay. And then there's something else in here. Ooh, it's a stamp liner. I'm really getting into these, as you guys can see. I use the one that I have. So this is starry-eyed. Oh, stop it. Is this a star stamp liner? Guys, I have to open this up and see. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, but I might have to like pause the video and come back because I kid you not, I was getting ready to do a look where I needed stars. So I am going to pause this video, come off, and then see if this is a star stamper. Super excited. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh. I can't. I mean, I just can't. She totally read my mind. This is going to make it so much easier to do this look that I have in my head that I'm going to share with you guys sometime soon, especially now that I have this stamper. So here it is. It is a star stamper, guys. Look! I do not have a star one. I have a heart one, and then I have the one to do the corners of my eyes. But here it is, guys. It's a little star stamper, and then it has the felt tip at the end to finish lining your eyes. This is awesome. Like, you don't know how much I need this. Lois, this is so great. I'm super excited. You guys don't understand how excited I am. So, oh, here's the inside of the bag. Super cute, right? All right, this is so awesome so far. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so full. Ooh, we have, oh my. Well, this is going to be totally for me. We have a bag full of goodies. It's got all kinds of fun candy in there. Everything that I absolutely love. So I've got to hide this so that I'm the only one that gets to eat it. I'm just saying. Not from Noah. Noah doesn't eat sweets. It's his dad that would totally hammer that whole thing. So I'm going to hide it so that it's just for me. I'm just saying. All right, what do we have here? Power Fusion Cleansing Towelettes. Who doesn't need those, guys? We all have to wash our faces, so this is awesome. Thank you, thank you. What else? Oh my gosh, guys, this is so full. Fully Fire. Fully Fire what? Ooh, lipsticks! Oh, let me show you guys the okay, I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, this video is going to be so long. She really jammed this thing packed full. So this is Fully Fire is the name of it, and it's got these 3 different shades of lipsticks here, but I am going to pop them open for you guys because I want to check them out. Oh, here's what it looks like. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm supposed to show this to you, but, you know, I'm not doing a good job because I'm just so excited and I want to tear in like a kid at Christmas time because this is my Christmas. All right. Let's see what we got going on here. I'm going to open up each shade, and yeah, I'm going to do it, guys, and I'm going to show it to you guys. Okay, so here's the packaging. I'll just show you the packaging on the first one here, and we're going to, ooh, that is pretty. Oh, yes, look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, man, I wish I had that on my lips right now instead of what I'm wearing, let me tell you. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do the next shade. Packaging is exactly the same for all 3 of them, guys. So I'm not going to show you the packaging again, but I will show you the lipstick. Look at that one. Woo! Okay, that's, ooh, pretty. It's right here. So it's that pink color. That is really pretty. Oh, this goes on so nice and smooth. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. Okay, let's pop this guy open here. Ooh, that is a bright red. Look at that. A super bright red. Let's see. Where are we going to put this one? We'll put it right there. Oh, that is so pretty. It's right here, guys. It's this one right here. So obviously this is all 3 swatches. They're all beautiful. They swatched great. Can't wait to wear them. Ah, that's awesome. Obviously I wear a lot of lipstick, guys. So awesome. I'm actually going to put this pillow off to the side right now because it's in my way. Yes! Sea salt moisturizing foot mask, guys. I need these so bad. I love these. I do foot masks all the time because my feet, you know, they need a lot of help. I'm just saying. That's awesome. Ah! So what it says, ooh, it is a DIY face mask. Oh, that is so fun. Look at that, guys. Yes, please. And it's leopard print. Let's pop her open, guys. You guys know I gotta see this. I mean, what do we have in here? Oh, this is so fun. Oh, look. So it comes with the mask, obviously. And then they have the jewels and stuff in there too. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. That is going to be fun to do because you still have to wear face masks in all the medical facilities. And that does include, I'll put that back together later. That does include Noah's speech therapy. So every single week that I go to a speech therapy, I have to put the mask on. So that'll be awesome. Ooh, yes! Mood melts. Uplifting bath soaks. Okay, my Noah loves this kind of stuff. Not sure if you guys are going to see that. Hopefully you guys can because it has like a frosted look over top of it. So that, oh, they smell so good. That is going to be super fun for him, but I've never heard him called mood melts. That's interesting. It says it's mood uplifting. Well, that's awesome. I think we all need that. Maybe I should sit in that for sure. Dogs are my people for sure, guys. No doubt. It is a pad and like paper and pen is what I'm trying to spit out here. So that is super cute. Look at that. Oh, it's got the little paw prints on it. That is adorable. Yeah, for sure, guys. In case you guys don't know, dogs are definitely my people. For sure. Actually, all animals. I love all animals. I've even had a rat before. So, you know, whatever it takes. Wow, what is this? A Morphe X Manny Nuai Glam Palette? What? Oh my gosh, you guys seeing this? Okay, so obviously that's just the box, but let's take a look and see what's in here. Ah, so fun. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have fun with this, I'm sure. Okay, so here's the outside of it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's pop it open. I'm sure it has a mirror, so we're just going to cover that up. It is a pretty palette. Oh, so fun. Oh, the possibilities. Look at that, guys. You guys will be seeing this in an upcoming video. I have a ton of makeup looks that I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to start doing fall looks next month. So I think this palette here would be fantastic for one of my fall looks. Why not? Thank you, Lois. That is so exciting. I've never tried this, so you know what? I don't have much room to swatch, but I'm going to swatch just because I'm, ooh, yes. Just because I'm curious. I just did like a shimmer and a matte, but I'm going to do another shimmer. Okay, awesome, awesome. Let me see if I can get this on the camera because I'm a bad swatcher. Okay, here we go. There they are, guys. Those are the three that I swatched. So that's going to be a super fun palette. Now that I got my hands on this stuff. Awesome. What is this? Glam Glow Cool Sheet. It's a no drip hydrating mask. Well, that sounds pretty interesting. Look at that. That sounds very interesting, actually. I'm definitely intrigued. I do mask all the time. So, yeah, we'll give her a go. Awesome. I hear Glam Glow is fantastic. So, I'm sure that's a great mask. What is this one? Real Essence Mask Aloe Vera. So here's another aloe vera mask. That's awesome. We do mask all the time. Well, at least I do. My skin needs a ton of help. So here's another aloe fresh moisturizing mask. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, let's see what, ooh, this looks so fun. Never lose or drop your mask again. It's a super cool mask holder. Look at that, guys. That looks so fun. I just hate wearing masks, guys. I mean, I really do. I'm fully vaccinated, but, you know, like I said before, in the medical facilities, you have to wear them. I was going to take it out, but I don't know that yeah, I do. I have scissors back here because I'm just curious what it looks like. Aren't you guys? I sure am. So let's pop her open. Get a full look of it. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, there's a lot going on there. So obviously it has the little hooks right here for you to hook your mask so that you don't lose it anymore. That is so awesome. It looks like they have two different ones for me. So this is one and this is another one. Super cute. Love it, love it. Thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, stop it. Oh, what size is it? It's a medium. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I love it. Ah, it's so cute, guys. Look at this. Oh, you're going to see this in a future videos because I just love them. Oh my gosh, this is so fit. This is fantastic. Ah! Wow. I mean, I love it. Thank you. Oh, that is so fantastic. Oh, what do we have here? Oh my gosh, the possibilities. Okay, guys. So these are fabric squares. Oh, yes. Guys, I'm going to be doing so many fun, cool, geeky DIYs, and these are going to be fantastic for that. All right, so these are fabric squares again, and this is a Batman one. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so super fun to craft with, guys. I cannot wait. So then I love this one. We got a Wonder Woman. Dude, look at that. Oh, that is fantastic. Oh my gosh, the possibilities. I cannot wait. Oh, is this the same Batman one or a different one? I don't know. So then we have another Batman one. So I have a few Batmans, which is amazing. This is going to be so great. Oh, and then I have a couple more Wonder Womans. Oh, did that go off? No, it didn't. Okay. Sorry. I'm getting a phone call and I'm like, ugh, did that stop? So I got a couple more Wonder Womans. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm serious. This is going to be so exciting for my DIYs. I am so excited. Ah, so fun. Okay, so now we have some super fun books that I can, use with my son. So this is DC Super Friends. How fun is that? Look at the book itself. Oh my gosh, that is just darling. I mean, that is just darling. I am super stoked. Oh my gosh, stop it. Look at the Harley Quinn. I can't. I can't. That is too cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I think that's probably it. Oh no, there's some. Oh my God. I wish I hadn't looked because that is amazing. Let's finish these things and we're going to get to that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have a Join the League DC Super Friends book. Look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I can't. I can't. That is too funny. And I believe that's Cyborg. That is awesome. Oh, and then we have a Wonder Woman jumbo coloring book. Look at the front of this. Hello. That is frame worthy. For sure. I can oh, and this too. Totally put them in a frame, guys. I know most people are probably like, yeah, you're freaking out of your mind. I probably am. But, dude, that is so frame worthy. That is going to look awesome in a frame. Okay, guys, there is something else in here. Oh, my gosh. I hope that you guys stayed to the end of this because this is so worth it. Oh my gosh. I can't. I cannot. Oh my gosh. Stop it. I mean, stop it. I'm not showing you guys. Look at this. I mean, I could just scream my head off. I hope you guys have your headphones turned down because this is amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this print. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is going to look amazing. So obviously that's Iron Man, Captain America, and the Hulk. This is stunning. Lois. Oh my gosh, this is so fabulous. Girl, you outdid yourself. Oh my gosh, I got so much amazing stuff. I can't believe you sent me all this stuff. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Thank you definitely doesn't cut it. I'm just saying. Thank you so much, Lois, though. This is, oh my gosh, this is so overwhelming and amazing. Again, guys, if you guys have not been over to Lois's channel, please make sure that you check her out as soon as you're done watching this video. She is such a super sweet lady. She's working really hard trying to get her watch time hours. So if you jump over to her channel, watch her videos all the way through. She's so super sweet and fun to watch. There's no reason to stop before the video's over. I know that I don't. I look forward to when she posts her videos. Now, granted, sometimes I can't make it over to her channel every single day, but I always play catch up to all the videos that she put out as soon as I'm able to do that. So make sure you guys check her out. She is so super sweet and lovely, and I am so obviously incredibly lucky that she is my friend. Thanks so much, Lois. I can't thank you enough. This is such an amazingly sweet gesture. Obviously, I love everything, and I'm going to be doing a little tour of my geeky area after I get it completely put together, but now I have more fabulous things to add to it, so I'm going to have to work all of this stuff in before I give you guys that tour, but look forward to that in a future video. Again, Lois, thank you so much, girl. This is truly amazing, and it is definitely making my entire year. I'm just saying. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Okay, guys, so like I said, this package is from Life. It's from Lois. Her name isn't Life. It's kind of a cool name, though. Life. Ah, cool. All right, try it again.